Hello, beautiful ladies. If you've been sitting all day and you're starting to and working, and you're starting to have a lot of shoulder pains or neck irritation, why don't you take a little break and practice this sequence? It's lovely and it's wonderful, and at the same time, it will help you to release that tension, but having fun at the same time. Okay, enjoy. Deep breath in up, breathe out. Again, breathe in. I'm going to release all the tension to your shoulders, to your neck, and just relax. Breathe in from your chest, expand from here. Hold the expansion, not the breath. Just relax. Again, breathe from your chest, expand. Breathe out, but don't release the expansion. I want you your shoulders should be relaxed towards the back, not like this, open. I'm going to bring your shoulders all the way up to the ears and then all the way down, as far down as you can. Just stretch it out and release. All the way up and then all the way down, down, down as far as you can and release. All the way up, stretch down. Bring your ear to your right shoulder. Just relax your jaw, drop, chin down, all the way down to the chest and up. Repeat on the left side. Relax, release all tension, chin down, hold down, all the way down. And up. I'm going to do that one more time. Your shoulder down, chin down, and up. Chin down, and up. Bring your arms above the head. Relax your arm on the shoulder blade, on the upper back. Slide your ear to the right shoulder, or the ear with the neck, and then all the way to the left. So try to reach towards the elbow. Now let's bring our chin forward and try to go back as far as you can, and then forward and back. Now let's go right, and let's do those head circles. Now I want you to hold to the left side and just slide right, left, right, left. Hold to the left side. Now let's go forward and circle the other way. Relax the arm, bring it down. Shoulder roll. Big shoulder roll, we're going to alternate. Take your time. Now reach your shoulders to the front and then shoulders back. Shoulders forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Reach and push to the back. Okay, we're going to do 2 little push with your right shoulder. You can bring your hand on the hip if you want to, or outside. Make sure it's not the arm doing all the movement, all right? It's all on the shoulder. So I want you to push forward and then release. Push forward and release. I'm going to go a little bit faster. So it's like push, push, and release. 1, 2, and release. Push, push, and release. Now let's go push, push, hold it the second time, the front, and then circle back. Twice. And again, push. 1, 2, and circle. And 1, 2, hold and circle. Switch left. Push, push, and circle. And push, push, circle. Push, push, circle. Push, push, circle. And again, If your arm gets tired, you can bring your hand to the hip, do the same. Push, push, and circle. Push, push, and circle. Now alternate right, left, right. We're going to do, well, let's go down. First, at some level, just kind of go down. That's doing your circles with your shoulders and up, nice and slow. So just a nice small plie, just going like down halfway. Again, you can improvise. If you don't feel like going down and up, you could just stand up if you want. You can sit if you want. But if you've been sitting all day, you might as well stay up. Okay, we're going to do 4 quicks and then 2 slow shoulder rolls. Ready? We're going to go. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, slow. And a 1, 2, 4. Quick, 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 and slow. 1 more. Now let's bring our head to the right. We're going to do a full circle. This time we're going to go chin to the left and then just kind of cross over and circle. Switch the other way. Bring it down, chin down, cross over, down. And let's do some head slide again. Hands up, slide, slide, and circle. Front to the left. Switch, just slide. Hold to the left this time, and circle forward to the right. Like the arm, shoulder roll. Very slow. Take your time. Start your right shoulder. We're going to do those push and 2 shoulder roll. And push, push, and roll. Again. Push, push, and roll. Now alternate. You can sway if you want. And now let's do shoulder here. Push, push, and circle. And push, push, and circle. 1 more. Push, push, and circle. Now let's do 4 quicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slow. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do little drops now. This is a lift and just release. Drop, drop. Really let it go when you drop. So this is a small contraction when you go up and then let it go. Good. Head circle. Take your time. Cross over. Switch left. And now arms up. Head slide, slide, slide. 2 head circle going to the left. Let's do a half circle, hold to the left, slide, slide, slide. 2.5 circle. And hold, bring it center, bring arms down, shoulder roll. Push, 1, 2, circle. And again, push, push, and circle. Alternate. Left side, push. Again, push, push, and circle. 4 quicks going down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and slow going up. And now let's do 4 drops and just kind of sway to the right. Left. Good. Circle the head. Good. Let it go. Just release everything now. Oh. And now head slide. Hold to the right and circle. Circle. Half circle, hold left. Slide. Circle. Bring it down. Shoulder roll. And now let's do 2 little push here. 1, 2, and circle. And 1, 2, and circle. 1, 2, circle. Alternate. That's so good. Now left side is push, push, and circle. Push, push, and circle. One more time. Quicks going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up slow. One more. Drops. Deep breath in. Breathe out. So practice this sequence. It's wonderful. It really does de-stress anything that's bothering you. It's what, 10 minutes? That's all you need. Have a wonderful day.